Just show it to me with yours. Oh, I swear to God. That's all I want. Oh, it's about love. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. This is a gold brief. And as you noticed last video, I was very cautious. I'm still cautious. I'm bullish on gold for long term so far. Expecting a pullback as part of a corrective wave, like a fourth wave. Then up we go. But as of now, I'm all cash. Gold is very sneaky, very tricky. This is the USD DXY in a weekly time frame, and you may notice that we found buyers at the very good buyer zone. It was the resistance of March 7th, 2022. Also, this congestion here in 2020, and also the high of 2019. So it is definitely probable that we have buyers yet. It is not. I'm not bullish here. I'm just afraid something might happen. You understand? So I don't want to risk it. I just want to be all cash while, a bounce happens and you never know. Plus, what I don't like here is that positive divergence, even though this might mean nothing at the end, it might go even further, but I want to be outside when this test is going on because I don't want to be caught with my thing down, okay? So definitely buyer zone in a weekly time frame with a bullish divergence, which could be really, it could go through it like hot knife through butter, but I don't want to be there when it happens. So that's why I'm on cash. All right. So same thing with the Euro USD in a weekly time frame. Seller zone for sure. Same thing. And also the bearish divergence. The Euro USD had a lot of bearish divergences in the past. It doesn't mean the end of that direction. If you notice in 21st of March to 13th of August 2018, you had that. You only had like 5 weeks bounce, so it's not going to be a change of direction. But sometimes it bounces hard. I don't want to be there when it does. Okay. In this case, it sells off, so it's not a bounce. So I don't want to be there when it sells off and gold goes down. I don't want to do that. Okay. And this is the yen USD. And as I said last video, we may conclude it. The third wave, we might go through a fourth wave corrective one. Hopefully it's something like that. Then we break out of it. In the opposite way here, it was in a form of a bear flag. Hopefully it gets to a form of a bull flag here. Then, boom. So I have to wait for the fourth wave to end in the Japanese yen, JPY USD. And this is just shows it's same as the euro and the USD. Here is seller's zone, and we did trap some bulls here and we went down again. So we don't know what's going to happen. That's why I am on cash waiting for this consolidation to have a bullish consolidation, hopefully. So this is JPY. This is the GLD. Same as I said yesterday, we met the full measure move of this box, and we've been topping for some reason. You know, you had Doji, and you have now a quasi, a shooting star, uh, in a distribution pattern right here, but no one knows what's going to happen. That is why, and also it's the seller zone. That's why I'm on cash to see where it's going. GLD, silver, silver also found sellers at C here. C is 127, almost 127 Fibonacci extension of AB, which is definitely a seller zone. And also you have a topping candle that needs confirmation, yet even if it goes up, I don't want to be there when when it gets tested. So see what it resolves, and I'll ride that new direction, hopefully to the upside. So GTX. So this is the first time we close outside of the Bollinger Band for some times now, since last June. Okay, and usually when this happens, a mean reversion takes place, like we had here. So we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe a 10-day moving average, maybe 38%, 23% Fibonacci retracement from here to here. So second topping candle, usually it's not good. But the good news is it came in very light volume. So hopefully we consolidate in a form of fourth wave, then we go up again. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3 for GTX here, and it hit the 187 Fibonacci extension, ABC, or 1, 2, 3. So it's definitely seller zone, and also the gap of this area and the supply. You know, it's definitely a seller. A lot of people are trapped here, so a lot of people would sell. Okay. GTXJ, and the count's still valid. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we have third wave, and it's almost a full measured move. So this is a full measured move. So it's definitely very typical of third wave. So now, hopefully 3, 4, 5 days consolidation as a fourth wave, then up we go. Please, if you like this content, if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, disco is forever.